Well, guys, we better keep moving on to the part thing. Well, I don't know. Okay, let's go. Vroom. Vroom. Oh, hey, buddy. Mater, what are you doing here? You see, I don't know, cause I think we were in the same. Okay, let's go, buddy. All right, Mater. Hey. Do you see that thing right there? I don't know, Goofy. I don't know, maybe it's such a good idea. Hey guys, I'm back. Minnie, what are you doing here? Well, I just got my dress on. Oh, your dress. Come on, Goofy, let's go. Oh. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugga chugga choo choo. Chugger coming through. Vroom, vroom. Whoa, that doesn't sound good. Hey, Conductor Goofy, stop the train now, okay? Whoa, ow. Oh no, one of the traction rods is snapped. Oh my. Well, maybe we can fix it. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know why. Chugga, 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 whoosh. Chugga, chugga, whoosh. Let's do it. Chugga, 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 whoosh. We did it. This train is too heavy for us.